Hi guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. So at first, open the list of all apps and reach Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on About Phone. Here go to Software Info and locate build number. So here it is. You need to tap on this panel 7 times. Then enter your PIN code if you have one. And as you can see, from now on you're a developer. So let me go back. From now on you can find developer options at the bottom of a settings list. You can smoothly reach them, use everything here. So smoothly scroll, find the option that you wish to apply, and then use the switchers. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.